Hi everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up All He Loves. This is actually a male subscription or men's subscription box. But before we get started and before I tell you more about the box and we get into the unboxing, I just want to remind you all that we do have one giveaway still going on in our channel. 2 giveaways finished earlier this week and both winners have contacted me, so I will be sending out those boxes shortly. But my Tiny Hands giveaway is still going on, so I am going to link that down below. And I'm hoping I don't look like off angle. I was just like struggling with my camera for a little bit and I feel like I'm crooked, so if I am, I'm sorry. Something's wrong with my camera, tripod type thing. I won't get into it, but just a little disclaimer, if I look off, that's what's going on. But let's get back into All He Loves. So like I said, this is a box for males. The name kind of implies it, All He Loves. And they offer a bunch of different options. You can get a monthly subscription, a quarterly subscription, or you can purchase just a one-time box. The subscriptions cost $45 and you're guaranteed at least $70 value in each box. If you buy a one-time box, you actually get to select through a lot of great options, so I'm gonna link them down below. I also received a code for you guys to save some money on your first box. It's not an affiliate code, it is just a code to help you guys out, so I will leave that down below as well. But anyways, let's get started and see what is in the box. So I know the majority of my viewers are women, but it is holiday season and it is gifting season pretty much because of the holidays, so I thought this would be a fun box to open for that reason on our channel. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It says Wander and Best Men's Lifestyle box. And on the back it gives some information on the items and a little description about the theme of the box as well as the total value. So the theme is Wander, and it says, in daily hectic life, everyone is busy with their responsibilities. Wandering and exploring new places can soothe your mind and re-energize your soul. Whether it's a quick weekend getaway or a around-the-world trip, you'll be pleased with the products that we have in store for you. This box aims to make your adventure more exciting, convenient, and in style. And this has a total retail value of $157. So that's much greater than the $70 claim I said earlier. So that is great. Like I said, the subscription costs $45, but that's before the discount if you do decide to use my code. So let's get started and see what the first item is. So this is what it looks like. What is this? Slap Wraps Multi-Use LED Wrap Light. So this is great for running, cycling, walking the dog, or any outdoor activity. Oh, so you like slap this around your wrist, or like this woman has one on her arm and it lights up. So that's really cool if you're into running and working out, or like they said, like biking, whatever you're doing outside, especially like late at night, like on the roads. You want to make sure you have some kind of protective lighting on you so cars can see you and you don't get hit. That's really important. So this is cool. Let's get this open and try it out. There's some other things it says on here. It's weatherproof, 100-hour flash time or flashing burn time. Batteries are included, so that's great. It says improve visibility and safety. And on this sheet it says this is $12, and it says Slap Wraps is a fun way to make sure you're both safe and visible for all of your outdoor activities. Powered by high-intensity LED lights, this adjustable slap-style band will easily and securely fit to just about anything with just the flick of your wrist. Whether you're walking to work early in the morning or out for an evening jog, you'll have additional peace of mind from this bright idea. Slap Wraps is also weatherproof, so you'll have an extra measure of safety in any conditions. This reminds me of like when I was a kid, we had stuff like this. So let's see. Yep, so it did just slap right on. Let me see if it has the batteries in it. Did you guys see that? I already have my Apple Watch on. I guess I could try and use it with my other hand. Oh, I can see the light. It just, can you guys see it flashing there? Since we're in such a bright room right now, you can't really tell. Let me see if I can dim my lights. That's so cool. Wow, I never really saw what a difference my ring light really makes. So that's awesome. So how do I turn it off? Do I just close it, or? Oh, there's different types of like blinking lights too. Or you could just have it be a solid light, so there's a button you press right here, so now it's off. I think this is awesome, and $12 isn't bad. This is super cool. If I ever go on walks at night, I'm totally gonna use this. It'll make me feel a little bit safer because it's so dark in my neighborhood after the sun goes down, which is way too early now. It's like 5:30. But let's move on to the next item. This is by the Wembley wireless earbuds. Cool. Look like they're like wooden earbuds. So these are what? These are $100. It says LSTN, the Wembley wireless earbuds. LSTN noise isolating earbuds are handcrafted from real wood and electroacoustically tuned to produce high-end sound quality at any volume. They also have lightweight design that means you have a great sound wherever you go. The earbuds feature an inline volume control, microphone for ease of use with answering and ending calls, voice recording and skipping tracks during playback. That's cool. That's crazy though. $100? Let's get these open and look at them. I want all this. I'm like, you know, this is for men's lifestyle box, but I'm like, I want these all. Okay, so this fell out of the box. This is like one of those little pieces I think you can put around your ear. And this is what they actually look like. I like how they have that like wood design. So yeah, it has Bluetooth inline microphone. I think it told us pretty much everything. So here's the USB to charge them, I guess. Oh my god, it's so cool. I don't have anything like this. I'm so excited. I think I mentioned I didn't have like earbuds and someone was like, what? Like who doesn't have earbuds? And now I do. So yes, you just put them in like this. I guess you can put, yeah, this right here. So then there's the microphone. You can just easily change tracks and stuff if you're listening to music. Like when you're on your run with your little LED light on at night. This is so cool. I'm so happy to have this. Awesome. So far I'm really impressed with this box. Let's move on to the next thing. This is by Expand. Never tie your shoelaces again. Original no-tie lacing system. Turns any shoe into a slip-on. I sadly never wear shoes with laces. I say sadly because I should be working out more. Sometimes I do workouts at home, I do it barefoot. That's probably not good for me, isn't it? So I'll probably pass this on to someone else, but this is super convenient. I think that would be great because, I mean, I'm lazy. Sometimes I'll just like slip my gym shoes on and not tie them again. So this definitely is a good idea for people like me. This is $10. It says Expand is the original no-tie elastic shoelace system that allows you to convert any shoe, sneakers, and every type of adult and kids shoes on the market. Expand laces are made with zero memory elastic rubber, which ensures consistent, comfortable fit throughout your day and during your workouts. This product was a huge success on Kickstarter and Indigo, raising over 1.2 million. Oh my gosh, cool. So yeah, I'm gonna gift these. I think someone will really love these, but that is such an innovative, cool idea. Now the last thing in our box is in another little box. It says Kiko on it. So let's see what this is. Oh, so this is a passport holder, and this is $35. It says this passport holder is handcrafted with leather and 100% wool, built for a sleek design. It is very classy with two-tone look of black and gray. It also features two versatile card slots on the front and allows you to travel in style. Just a perfect way to keep all your important documents together and be the envy of everyone in the security and customs lines. So this is one side, so it's showing you can like put your cards in there. So there's two slots, and then you can put your passport in here. Like this, yeah, look, it says passport. This is really sleek, and that is the back of it. I think this was a really good box. Like, I'm excited about these items. So let's just do a quick recap. We have our Kiko passport holder, which has a value of $35. We have our slap wrist. I think this is so cool. I can't wait to use it, and it's fun. And this is $12. And we have our earbuds, our wireless earbuds that are $100. And I'm so excited to get some use out of these. And then we have our shoelace system, our no-tie shoelaces. So that is everything that came in the box. I think this was great. I think anyone would really enjoy this box, but especially like if you have someone like a man that's hard to gift for, which I find it difficult sometimes, especially when they don't like give you any sort of idea of what they want. Like this would be a great holiday gift idea, but I think, like I said, anyone would enjoy this because I enjoyed it. But yeah, I will leave the link to All He Loves down below along with that promo code. If you're interested in subscribing, make sure you use that to save some money. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.